Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this film suggests, or this video suggests, we are going to be discussing immigration scams. We've gone into this topic a little bit in the past in a couple of other videos, but I want to specifically go into one that I think can be especially insidious, and it's frankly the most disingenuous of all of the types of scams that I've ever heard of or seen. And that is this notion that someone has a special relationship with someone that operates within the immigration process. This is, first of all, it's not true. Nobody has a special relationship with the U.S. immigration process. It is a process that is undertaken by various agents and agencies associated with the United States government. There are various controls in order to try to eliminate fraud in all of its aspects throughout the system. And moreover, in the very few cases where you've ever actually heard of certain sort of inappropriate relationships existing between officers of the government associated with U.S. immigration matters and someone outside of the government, it's proven to be really, really bad for all concerned. Because people went to jail, prison specifically. I've got a brochure here that I got from the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service. The title of the brochure is "The Wrong Help Can Hurt, Beware of Immigration Scams." I believe the form number is M-712 parentheses 05/11 in parentheses. Just a quote directly from this, because I thought it was rather useful. Quoting directly, what are some common immigration scams? Scammers often make promises that sound too good to be true. They may tell you that they have a special relationship with the government or can get you an immigration benefit like a green card or work permit very quickly, or that they can help you get benefits for which you do not qualify. Scam websites that look very professional can lead, sometimes websites that look very professional can lead you to a scam. Scammers also advertise in phone books, flyers, on signs in stores. They may take advantage of radio stations and newspapers to advertise through the media. They may also be recommended by someone you know. Be careful. Before going to someone selling immigration advice, find out first if he or she is an attorney or a BIA accredited representative. Yeah, that's a good point. We brought that up in another video. Pursuant to federal regulations, only a licensed American attorney or certain very narrowly limited agents which are approved by the Board of Immigration Appeals are allowed to represent individuals before the United States government, especially in a compensated capacity. So that's a topic. I believe I did another video on that. That's a topic for another time if I didn't. The thing to take away from this is, as noted, be really, really leery of anyone claiming some sort of special relationship with someone within the immigration apparatus. First of all, it's virtually unlikely that's ever going to happen. Secondly, any dealings I've ever had with anybody working inside the immigration apparatus have been professional and cordial, and that's about it. The distance is not unlike the distance between a defense attorney and a prosecutor, perhaps. Again, maybe professional and cordial, but they're not sitting around commiserating, or between an attorney and a judge. Again, there may be professionalism and cordiality, but they're not sitting around, again, commiserating or gaming the system in some way, nefariously, quite frankly. So be very, very careful, those who are watching this video, to anyone claiming that kind of connection or ability, because it should just be an immediate red flag that something is off. Again, the apparatus is what it is. In some ways, it doesn't work as well as we'd like it to. In other ways, it works quite well, especially compared to immigration systems in other countries. But that being said, the thing to take away from this video is, if you hear somebody say, oh, I have a connection with so-and-so, or I know so-and-so, and we'll get this sorted out, be careful. Be very, very careful. That would be the moment to especially ascertain credentials. And it would also probably just be a good idea, credentials or no, to perhaps, move along and try to find somebody else.